To fix Ads.txt issues on a blogger after getting a new AdSense account, just click on the Fix Now that's displayed on the top of your notification, and will be presented with your ad code. So the publisher code is there. Just click on copy, and after clicking that, it will be copied to a clipboard. Now log into your blogger dashboard and go to settings. So click on that and scroll down until you find the monetization section. There it is. Now turn on that switch, which is enable custom ads.txt. Now click on custom ads.txt and paste the code that you copied from your AdSense dashboard and click save. So that's all, and the notification on your AdSense dashboard will disappear after 2 days.